I have my setup here where I have the transducer connected onto the logger, connected to channel 1, and I have a syringe there set up to produce pressure on the transducer. This is just a quick rundown on connecting the ICT instrument logger to the pressure transducer. I'll just start the software now on the computer, and we connect to the instrument, and we would normally do a find devices to locate the instrument connected to the computer. There it is, and we select that and we are connecting to it. When the instrument starts, it will be in manual mode, which means that it is not taking any measurements. If I choose to take a measurement, I hit the start measurement button there, and it will switch on the interface. I'll see the green LED on the interface turning on, and it takes a reading from channel 1. All the other channels, will notice the channels there are all disabled, so they will not take any readings. And then we see the results are showing that at the moment the transducer is outputting minus 15 millivolts on the setting that I have at the moment. That takes a single measurement, and that measurement is recorded onto the SD card. What I can do now is to put the logger into what we call live mode, which I choose there from the drop down list, and update measurement options. I get a warning that it could run the battery if I leave it active continuously. I say yes. The logger will switch on the interface, the green LED turns on, and it will continuously monitor the output of the pressure transducer. And as I move the plunger on my syringe in and out, I can see that the voltage coming from the transducer will go positive and negative depending on what pressure I'm putting onto it. This is not recording the results at the moment. This is only a live monitoring step. I'm not logging, I'm simply monitoring the output. If I wish to log the output, I have to then choose a logging interval. If I go to here and choose 1 minute interval, it will now log once every minute. It will switch on the interface and switch on the pressure transducer and take a reading. Now it's taking one every minute. It's actually started right now. It's taking a reading, and I can change that, and it has taken a reading, and we notice that another reading will happen in 44 seconds. In that way I can set the logger to record the output of the transducer when connected to the infiltrometer, and I can do it once every minute. That information, that reading, is recorded onto the SD card, which can be downloaded later to the logger. What I can do here as well is I can then use my lookup table that I have stored in the device, and I can actually do a conversion of the millivolt reading, which will convert it to a scale output. We see it switching on now. It's recording minus 11 millivolts, which is equivalent to 10 millimeters on the scale on the infiltrometer. And that's how it's done. That's how we use the logger to record the output of the pressure transducer.